Mendeleev periodic table. At the end of this session, you will able to understand about Mendeleev's periodic table. Achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Now let us know about Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Russian chemist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was the main contributor for the early development of periodic table of elements. Mendeleev's periodic table was published in a German journal in the year 1872. He arranged all the 63 elements on the basis of their fundamental property, that is, atomic mass and chemical properties. In few instances, he placed an element with a greater atomic mass before an element with a lower atomic mass. Oxides and hydrides are at the top of the columns. Any of the elements in the group are represented by the letter A. Example for the representation of oxides and hydrides is, the hydride of carbon is CH4, which is written as RH4, and the oxide of carbon is CO2, which is written as RO2. Let us discuss about the Mendeleev's periodic table in detail. Mendeleev's periodic table. Here elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses in the periodic table. We observe that few elements having higher atomic masses are placed before the elements with low atomic masses. This is due to their similar physical and chemical properties. They are grouped. For example, the elements having higher atomic masses are aluminium atomic mass is 29.98 is placed before silicon atomic mass is 28.09. Vanadium atomic mass is 50.94 is placed before chromium atomic mass is 50.20. Cobalt atomic mass is 58.93 is placed before nickel atomic mass is 58.71. Tellurium atomic mass is 127.6 is placed before iodine atomic mass is 126.90. We also see that Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. He left these gaps because of his prediction for the existence of few more elements, later discovered by other scientists, but not discovered by Mendeleev. Achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev boldly predicted the elements, and named as Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon, and filled the gaps with these elements. The name Eka was derived from Sanskrit, which means first. For example, Eka aluminium, Eka boron, and Eka silicon. Properties of Eka aluminium and gallium. Here Eka aluminium atomic mass is 68, formula of oxide is E2O3 and formula of chloride is ECl3. And gallium atomic mass is 69.7, formula of oxide is Ga2O3 and formula of chloride is GaCl3. Later these elements Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon, respectively were named as scandium, gallium, and germanium based on the similar properties. Noble gases like helium, neon, and argon have been added to the Mendeleev periodic table without any modification to the original table. These noble gases were discovered very late, because they are very inert and present in extremely low concentrations in our atmosphere.